Now we will discuss about the fees. Okay, if you click on any of the student, here you can see fees details and fees structure. So this is the fees structure which we have already defined over here. If you go to configuration stamp fees, here we have already defined the stamp fee of a particular student. So if you go back here and click on Kevin Peterson, so you can see here the monthly fees and annual fees. So the total fees for the academic year 2015 and 16, the Kevin Peterson has to pay 14,800 rupees. And here it is showing the structure, complete structure of that academic year 2015 and 16. So here he has to pay the monthly fees as 4,800 and annual fees as 10,000. So total is 14,800 he has to pay. And here it is showing he has not yet paid any amount of fee. That's why it is showing 0 here, nothing here, and due amount is 14,800. So here also it's the details of the student fees. Okay, so if I go to here fees collect, now we have to see the admission number of Kevin Peterson. Okay, so it's 587 by 2009, and if you go here fees collect 587, sorry, yeah, 587 2009. So Kevin Peterson. Okay, and here add, if he pays for example monthly fees, he belongs to class and section 5th. So here we will select the monthly fees from this one, 5th and 8th. So he has paid for example for the month of January, and if I click submit, okay, so this is all the fees details you will get, and if you click print, the print will come. So if you go and click here, so this will be the sample of that fees. Okay, so here it is all mentioned, the student name, father's name, admission number, date, receipt number, class and section, then the monthly fees he has paid for the month of January, and grand total, everything is over here. Okay, since Kevin Peterson has paid the monthly fees for the month of January, so 4,000 has to be deducted from his total fees amount. So if you go back here and click view all and see the details of Kevin Peterson, here you can see the fees details. Okay, so this is the fees details. Total fees paid is 400, total due is 14,400, and total fees is 14,800. So here you can see the details of it also. If you click view details, it will land up to this page where you can see all the details, receipt number, date and all. Even here also you can see the details of the fees Kevin Peterson has paid.